and decorate with ornaments, Christmas trees, as a symbol of everlasting life, right? Because they were evergreen. Well, they also came around in ancient times. And so I learned this because, you know, I know how to use the internet. that they did ancient dances, circle dances, when they sang their original ancient carols. Well, when trees came about as a symbol of Christmas, then they did it around the tree. They sang and they danced around the tree. So we are going to sing and dance, at least in our minds. You can sing for real, and you're free to dance too. And play "Oh Christmas